Hello and welcome to DC Tech Talks. This is an unboxing video of DC420 Pro series barcode printer. So there are two models available. Firstly, DC421 Pro, which comes with USB only interface. Secondly, there is DC423 Pro, which comes with three interfaces: USB, serial and Ethernet. So we'll try and unbox each of them one by one. Firstly, DC421 Pro. Let's try and unbox and find out what do we have inside the box. So let's see. So here's the box, and we have a small accessory box inside the bigger box, and let's try and find out what do we have inside. So as we can see, we can find a thermal ribbon and a sample label roll. Along with that, there's a power cord, an adapter, a ribbon spindle, some label guide, and lastly there is one USB cable to connect your barcode printer, along with a quick installation guide and a CD for the driver and printing software installation. So this was the unboxing of DC421 Pro barcode printer. So we'll now try to take out the printer from this beautiful protective casing. Let's try and unpack the printer and see what's there in the printer itself. So this is the printer, DC421 Pro, and you'll be able to find this single interface, which is USB for this particular model, and you'll be able to connect with the help of USB interface to your computer. And there is one calibration button right in front to calibrate the printer, and there is one power button to switch on and switch off the barcode printer. So let's try and open the hood and let's see what's inside the printer. So there is this beautiful ribbon loading and unloading mechanism which opens right up to 90 degrees. So you can easily load and unload the ribbon without damaging the thermal print head of your barcode printer. So we'll now close this DC421 Pro barcode printer and let's try and find out what do we have in DC423 Pro barcode printer's box. Let's try and unbox the DC423 Pro barcode printer. So let's try and open it. So this is the DC423 Pro barcode printer's accessory box. So let's try and find out what do we have inside. So it comes with the power cord and the power adapter, as there was in DC421 Pro. The same ribbon spindle, label guide, and to top that we have RS232 cable, which is also called serial cable, in addition to the USB cable which comes in DC421 Pro barcode printer, along with some thermal ribbon and sample label roll. And of course we have quick installation guide and the CD as well in this barcode printer box as well. So let's try and unpack the DC423 Pro barcode printer and try and find out what do we have extra in this barcode printer in addition to DC421 Pro. So let's see. This is the beautiful printer. It has a nice ABS plastic body. So same calibration button right in front, the power button, and it comes with three interface: USB, serial and Ethernet, along with one micro SD slot to increase the memory of your barcode printer. So let's try and open this. It comes with the same ribbon assembly which opens to 90 degree to protect your costly thermal print head, so you won't damage your print head when you load or unload your barcode ribbon. So this was the unboxing of 420 Pro series. Thank you very much.